Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a sporty 2014 Chrysler 200S, stock number E2182A. Only 64,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Billet Silver Metallic in color. The 200 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This 200S has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in a perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 40 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD and burn it to your hard drive. Never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heated front seats and automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's overhead, auto dimming mirror, moonroof control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this 200, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.